1037.
Roger, Bay, 3 net for Adam 28.
The northbound coming up on the 19. Adam William John 46 Charles. He's blacked out. It's a black Cadillac. Speed's 115. Traffic is medium. Be in the number 2 lane. Speed's 130.
Lane 2, 140.
Still approaching the 19, speed's 100 plus. Still blacked out.
Approaching 19, 100 miles an hour, blacked out. 20, let me take on. 19. 7 miles an hour. On second area. Just past 19. Speed over on. Past 19. Speed's over 100. Coming up in the 24. 79, 10-9, your radio, 10-1. We just passed the 21. We're doing 140, traffic, moderate. 10-4, got 3 big trippers getting on at 29. Positive, speed 120, light traffic. Testing all speed traffic, non-traffic, Can you contact BB, Lincoln, like that? 10-4. Coming up to 25, 40, traffic light. 10-4, 25, 140 miles an hour light traffic. Just past 25, speed 37, traffic water. 10-4 passenger 2537. 6 good. Units, anybody get 28 in. You're at 10-4. Got a ward unit.
He wrecked out.
10-4-20.
Somebody in the back seat. Passenger, come out! Open the door!
Open the door, driver!
Put your fucking hands up!
Come out with your hands up!
Back passenger, on the ground.
Okay.
On the ground! Do it! Do it now! Right now! Right now! You better keep your fucking hands in the air! Hands up. Hands in the air. I better fucking see them.
See.
Give me your other hand.
Aqui tá.
Roll over. Okay. I don't know English. Stand up. Right there. I need cuffs on him. Oh. You alright?
Yeah, I'm good. There's a fucking hole. Fucking hole.
Oh shit. I didn't know that was there. Hey, Ledden, I need cuffs over here.
So I don't know English, okay? No,
Right.
go this way.
Yeah, there's a hole right here.
Right there.
Right here. Right here.
Oh.
Will you turn my siren off?
Lay there, don't move. I don't know English, sir. I don't know English.
Come on. Walk that way. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Alright.
You deal with
You
him.
go right here.
Yep.
Roll over. Sit up. You take him, please.
County, it's the turnaround on 67. I'm good.
All right.
I'm good.
Trip 8, 1064 and that. Normal traffic. 679. Good. We can start one just to clear these guys. I think everybody's 10 more, but check. Yeah, 4, we're good.